Once upon a time, not too long ago, I traversed through the lands serene and divine, when I and her were free to go places together before we both found ourselves confined. The time when the memories were real and not just a merger of paper and paint, when even the smell of the air changed with miles and the destinations were both ordinary and quaint. Just me, her, and her perfect shoes got to see forests, mountains, plains, and snow. As the two of us soaked in every bit of that joy, her shoes, never tired, made the lust for wandering grow. Through the white of the snow and the dark of the ice, through wilderness full of mud and slush, through the twists and turns and ruts and bumps, her shoes kept us safe as we enjoyed the rush. Lost in thoughts made of colors and paper, I realized that everything is destined to change. What was didn't last, and what is won't stay. And we'll be out there again with these walls estranged. So I walked towards her with hope and resolve to write symphonies again, with the world being our muse. Like always, she didn't express what she felt, but I knew she was ready when she tapped her perfect shoes.